Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on your screensaver on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on a blank area of your desktop, and you want to select Personalize. And you want to scroll down and select Lock Screen. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to scroll down, and then underneath Related Settings, select Screensaver. So you can also search for this in the search menu as well. And versus screensaver none, you can go and click inside the drop down and set a custom screensaver. So pretty straightforward. Set how many minutes you want to wait of inactivity before initiating the screensaver. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.